Today we will share various trending option trending knowledge and how you can identify the strong signal with your uh, good indicators and tools and time frame and everything that you need to trade in option trading. I am using uh, three indicators. You need to know that first of all, you can see the bottom MACD, and I am using Capital Channel, and I am using uh, 200 moving average. Uh, our plan today, first of all, we need to know the trend. Uh, when we see the trend is down, we need to trade one down trend, and if we saw the trend is up, so we need to trade one up. And you we need to know these important things. There's we not uh, to go against one trend. For that, you can see we have traded here, and that moving average, 200 moving average, giving a signal that the trend should go one down. And we have traded here for 3 minutes and $2. We need to wait for result, and for that we are discussing more things. Uh, Here you will find a strong signal when moving average and cutting channel middle moving average. When go down, you will trade in downtrend. After that, when the candlestick pattern and the price reaction will go up one 200 moving average, and the trend will uptrend, and you need to trade one uptrend. Here you can see the price uh, down to move from 200 moving average. For that we traded to down and for 5 minutes. You need to know the time frame and how much time can take for your target point hitting, and for that you need to change the time frame. By that you can win for every trade. And for a strong signal you need to wait, and after that you can trade. And when you wait long time you will got uh, best signal for trade. And here you can see we have traded 5 assist, and we need to wait because we have traded in 5 minutes, and we have traded in 3 minutes, and for that we need to wait how uh, that indicators work for us. And here you can see we have traded to downtrend, but the price go what up. For that we need to wait because we have more time. For that you can see we open it three trade in same time, different assist. For that you have seen we our trade uh, will go, and we give us the result For that, here you can see the price go against our trade. For that we have lost, but we have traded more in this signal, and we need to wait for result, and wait and see what happening, and what which signal give us favorite trending methods, and how we will win in these methods. So let's see.